So good morning.
Morning.
Right, we're gonna go and grab some breakfast real quick.
We're at a breakfast place, about to eat some breakfast.
What are you gonna order?
Waffle.
Pancakes.
It's just me and the boys. The girls are with their mom because tomorrow is Chloe's sweet 16 birthday party. Sunshine and blue skies. We're gonna get some work done. We may stay all day, we may stay half a day, but it's definitely gonna be a fun day. Have you started playing your game already?
Yes.
Well, you're not gonna be able to play a game for long because we're gonna do some work today, okay?
Okay.
Today on our agenda, we want to do three things. Somebody's at the door. We'll be right back. Good morning.
Well, what are you guys doing here?
It's just mom.
Why y'all not in school? Summer break. Summer break? School is out for them already?
Yes.
You lying.
Nope. School is out. We want to focus on three things. All right. Number one is we want to make sure the floors are swept really good. Number two, we want to make sure all of the trash is taken out. And number three, we want to make sure the floors are mopped really well as well. Okay. So those are your three tasks for the day. You got it?
Got it.
All right, so the 13 Pro that just came in, they wanted to sell it. In order for us to buy it, I need to see how much it's worth. So what we're gonna do is offer him 125. If he doesn't want the 125, the most we can do is 150. They don't want the 150, and it's really no point in us buying it. Judging by the darkness in the room, it's obvious that the light did not work. I did replace the light and it's still not working. So that leads me to believe that the ballast itself is going bad. I've contacted my landlord and I'm just waiting on them to come and fix this light, but it looks like super dark. Hopefully we get these lights fixed ASAP. Keyboard for this iMac finally came in. The charger for this came in, but it just so happened to be the wrong charger, I'm assuming. Once the new charging port comes in, I'll be able to replace that. Check this out. You see, it says Virtuvice Booking Agent. Congratulations. Virtuvice AI has successfully met.
It's the same. See?
Yeah, it's the same. Thank you. All right. Virtuvice AI has successfully managed another booking for you. And what was I doing? Literally working on something else. So, are you tired of running your business as a solo entrepreneur, having to handle marketing, the day-to-day operations, and booking appointments? Well, look no further. Virtuvice AI is the perfect AI software that not only handles quoting for your customers, but it also books the appointments for you. So you can be sleeping, using the restroom, or maybe even out to dinner with your family. No matter what it is, Virtuvice AI is always working. You have a full-time employee at a very, very low cost. So AI has booked us an appointment for a PlayStation 5. Yeah, so Mr. Arnold needs a PlayStation 5 HDMI port repaired more than likely. Is this Mr. Arnold?
Yes.
How you doing? We just calling to confirm your appointment for your PlayStation 5 repair.
Yeah, we're gonna come drop it off today.
Okay. What is that? What is it doing? Just so we can kind of get a heads up. What's going on with it?
It's just I need to replace the HDMI port. It's just not projecting onto the TV.
Oh, okay. That's easy. And that is the beauty of AI. I didn't have to do anything. Mr. Arnold booked his appointment. Once we got the text message, all we need to do was click on his phone number and verify his appointment so that he gets that human interaction. AI, artificial intelligence, it's not a bad thing. It can actually make your life 10 times easier, especially when you have a busy, bustling store. Whether you're in real estate, whether you mow lawns, whether you do pressure washing, no matter what it is, any service industry, you do hair, you do nails, whatever your profession is, and you need someone to give quotes quickly and you need someone to book appointments quickly, you need AI. All right, this has 33 minutes left. We're going to wait 33 minutes while this one does what it's supposed to do and backs everything up. Then we'll come back to it. We're going to do a bit of multitasking here. I'm going to take this iPad and lift the screen off of it. Go ahead and do the charging port so we can clean it up real good and send this lady her money. And we have an iPad 10th generation for sale. So if you're looking for an iPad, we have an iPad for sale, or we will have another iPad for sale. Just let us know in the comments if you want to purchase it, or you can click the link in our bio. Let me see what CJ is doing. CJ's supposed to be working. CJ,
Yeah?
you finished your work?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You did the sweeping?
I did the sweeping,
You did the trash?
did the trash,
What was number 3?
mopping.
Thank you. So did you finish your work?
No.
What, you on break or something?
No. Yes, I want a break. I want a break, Dad.
At the end of the day, so people coming in while it's wet won't track up the floor.
Who you think you is?
The store manager.
You don't run nothing around here.
CJ, you come up at 4 o'clock, baby.
Okay.
Now go back to your corner.
Yeah, Dad. Go back to the phone.
Remember when you was young and your parents make you mad?
You okay, Dad?
Oh, hush. It's your fault.
How's it my fault?
All right, let's get some work done. This iPad that we are supposed to be fixing to sell, I replaced the charging port on it and it's still not charging. So that tells me that there's definitely an issue on the board itself. Something is shorting out on the board because it's causing my tester to just shut off and shut. So with that being said, we won't be able to purchase this. Well, iMac says 4 hours. I don't know why it says 4 hours because our internet is not so great. iMac will be done in 4 hours. It's going to take a little while, but it's definitely installing. We had one other repair come in, which is PS5, and I'm going to just go ahead and knock this out now and get it out the way. We got the MacBook is as, oh, I keep saying MacBook. This is not a MacBook. This is an iMac. The Apple iMac restore and backup is just about done. How's your phone going? You're 11? All right, let's take a look at it. Josh was on a mission to replace the front, back, and camera lens on an iPhone 11 so that he could fix it and sell it. Camera lens looks pretty. No SIM restrictions. Beautiful. Monday or next video, whatever that is, we're going to go through the process of showing Josh how to post this online, what platforms he should use. You see my name tag? I no longer identify as eye doctor. My name is... My name is Subscribe Please. And that is it for today. You never know what's going to happen in the shop. It might be a busy day. It might be a slow day. But it's going to be a good day. See you guys in the next video.